Good morning everybody and welcome back to the vlog. In today's vlog we have very good news. The twin turbo Audi R8 is back. A lot of you guys wanted me to do a bumper delete on the car when I had the twin turbo kit, but it's just I'm selling this car hopefully soon. I think that's the plan. I know everyone wants me to keep it and literally everyone in my house wants me to keep it, but I'm thinking about selling it. You guys can see the turbo kit there. It does have a factory exit on it. We were gonna do a center cut exit, but it made it so small there couldn't be a license plate. That was something that I saw as a problem because I know that plenty of people who would want to buy this car would want to put a license plate on it and maybe not get pulled over for having a modified vehicle. I have not driven it yet because I got back so late last night. So this is gonna be my first time driving it. It sounds incredible compared to what it sounded like before. Very big difference. So we're gonna take it on our very first drive. So we did do a meth kit on the car. This is just a gauge so we'll know when we're out. I think it only uses the meth when we're at full throttle, so it shouldn't be out that soon. I know I should have expected this, but given that I have other supercars and the Performante is 0 to 60 in 2.2 seconds, I thought that I would know what fast feels like. This is the fastest car I've ever driven in my life, by far.
So you're gonna keep it?
Everyone's like, yeah, 160 grand, keep it, whatever. Okay guys, just listen to the sound of this. Alright guys, the whole house is gonna react to the twin turbo R8. By the way guys, Connor got pulled over this morning and the cop goes, yeah, we've been getting a lot of calls about supercars going up here. He was like, really? Wonder who that is. That's
Fucking hell, man! Eating, dude. No, it's okay. It's okay. I'm gonna try and hold myself up. No!
I really thought that was a
I know. I was like, there's a car just sitting like that, but it's creepy. Oh! Yes! I love my rich friend.
Speaking of poor financial decisions, all right, Michael, you can drive.
That's turbo.
All right, guys, Vinny literally just got done filming where we went in the Huracan. How fast was the Huracan?
It's pretty fast.
All right.
Oh my god. Dude, what? Oh god, not the corner. Okay, another day, another supercar Thomas has decided to buy. Apparently this one's twin turboed. Fun fact, all my cars are twin turboed, but I've never been in a twin turboed naturally aspirated V10. Oh yeah. Oh, there it is. Okay. Dude, it's the turbo. Okay, Jesus Christ. No, I am not driving this.
All right, thank God I'm not driving it anymore. I'm literally gonna sell this thing just so I don't go to jail.
Don't want to drive this.
No, literally driving this, I'm 100% selling it. If you guys want it, it's $160,000. It's a very fair price.
Bro, I don't want to drive this at all. I'm not kidding. Yes! Okay, all right, I'm done. I'm done. I'm not driving anymore. Oh, woo! 0 to 60.
Oh. Kind of fast.
Kind of fast.
What was that? Bro, I feel like I'm in a spaceship.
Connor's up. Be careful, you lose a little bit of traction when you do fall from the jump.
Elon Musk got nothing on this thing.